What I buy this wax? I'm using it because it was sent to me for free, but would I actually buy it? It don't matter the angle, because it was really hard getting it up close on this phone stand or whatever. I hate recording. The wax heats up really fast, but it also cool down really fast. Because I heat my wax up as high as the pot go, and then I just cool it down or whatever. But sometimes it still holds that heat. Like it takes a long time for a wax to cool down. This wasn't the case with this wax. It also dries really fast. Like, even though this video is sped up, it's not sped up that much. The wax dries, like, almost as soon as I put it on, which is really good because it's very irritating to have to apply wax and then just wait and talk and wait and talk and wait for it to dry. Also, she got this armpit wax at, like, the spur of the moment, so her hair was really short. Because I was like, hey, let me see your armpit so I can make this video. And it still grabbed the shorter hairs. So would I buy it? Yes. I would say it's even good for starters, like fresh out of school.